Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east from Bulls Bay towards Lucy. Entering Lucy. Notably, Lucy is the capital of Hanover Parish. The road on the right will take you to Spanish Hill and the Esher Primary School. On the left is Esher Housing Scheme and to the right is Providence. On the left is Copperwood Drive, which will take you into Copperwood Community. To the right is Arton Court. If you are in search of the Rossi School Cave, then you should take the road on the left here. Also here to the left is the Hanover Parish Court. We are now driving on Watson Taylor Drive. On the left is Rossi's High School. The road to the right is West Avenue. On the right is the Lucy Cemetery. On the right is Central Avenue. On the right is Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses Church. On the right is East Avenue and the Hanover Parish Court. To the left is Watson Taylor Park. On the left is St. Philip and James Roman Catholic Church. On the left is Hanover Parish Library. The road to the left is Fort Charlotte Drive, and that road will take you to Fort Charlotte, to the Hanover Parish Church, also known as St. Mary's Anglican Church, and to Noel Holmes Hospital, same as the Lucy Hospital. On the right is St. Fleben Road. We are now driving on Church Street. On the right is Laurenton Avenue. To the left is Tom Peppers Bay and the Lucy Harbour. On the right is Lucy United Church. Also here to the right is the Lucille Miller Hall. On the right is Cressy's Lane. On the left is Ministry of Labour and Social Security, and on the right is Hanover Municipal Corporation and Lucy Methodist Church. Here is known as Sir Alexander Bustamante Square, and to the right is the Lucy Police Station. On the left is the Lucy Bus Park. Going right will take you onto Hanover Street, towards Lucy Town Centre and back towards Negril. On the right is Leslie Lane. On the right is Bigwell Lane. We are now driving on Seaview Drive. The road on the right will take you to Dry Hill, Greenland, Middlesex, Dyas, Kingsvale and other communities. Crossing the Harvey River and we are entering Johnstown. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.